Hello and welcome everyone to break 698 for the 2018 Hit Parade Autograph Football. Thanks everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. The current date and time according to eBay is Wednesday, April 10th, 2019. It's 10:15 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:15 p.m. Central Time, and 7:15 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Brizdus with 10 spots, Mule with 2, Chris with 10, Houston 3, Clay 2, Kelly 2, and Mabu with 3 spots. We'll randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Brizdus on top, Mabu on the bottom. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Chris on top, Kelly on the bottom. We'll run through our list, see who has what, starting with Chris and the Cardinals, Mabu Falcons, Brizdus Ravens, Clay Bills, Chris Panthers and Bears, Mabu Bengals, Brizdus Browns, Houston Cowboys, Chris Broncos, Houston Lions, Mule Packers, Chris Texans and Colts, Brizdus Jaguars, Clay Chiefs, Brizdus Chargers, Rams, Dolphins, Vikings, Chris Patriots, Brizdus Saints, Chris Giants Jets, Brizdus Raiders, Chris Eagles, Mule Steelers, Kelly 49ers, Houston Seahawks, Brizdus Buccaneers, Mabu Titans, and last but not least, Kelly with the Washington Redskins. Hey Kelly, hey Tony. Alrighty, here we are. All sealed up. Trying not to knock over Tom Brady, but I think we have just about every time here. I don't understand this box sometimes. Okay. There's our ball. Wow, no cards knocked over. That might be the first. Okay. So we have, there's our COA. So much paper. We have DG29. That is, for those of you who don't know, Darius Juice. We will look him up. He got hurt last year, unfortunately. Alright. Very nice. Yep, Inception will be after this break. Darius Juice. Hurt his knee in the preseason, if I'm not mistaken. But, yeah, he tore his ACL. Can't get much worse than that. But he is on the Washington Redskins. So let's see who has the Washington Redskins. Let's go into Kelly. Congrats, Kelly, on your Darius Juice autograph football. Darius Juice, number 29. I want to thank you all for getting in the break and all of you watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.